Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Northwind Shield in Crimson Desert. Now currently right now on my location, I'm pretty much over to the north of the Wayward Woods. If you want a better look over here in Pyloon, just align your mouse over to the top of Eye on Pyloon right here and then go straight to the west. Now if you manage to find the Abyss Nexus here, you will arrive to this spot right here. Now this location is incredibly foggy, and because it's night, it makes it even worse for my vision. Now once you're on the Abyss Nexus, if you take a look on your minimap, make sure to face eastward, and over in this direction you're going to find this massive tree. Now what you have to do is approach the tree and use Nature's Grasp on it. Press down space to increase the speed, and you should be able to find an entrance to a cave right over here. Now just enter the cave right here and you'll be able to find the treasure chest containing the Northwind Shield. And there you go, congratulations, you now have the Northwind Shield at your disposal. And for the stats of that shield, it will offer 15 on defense, 0 on critical rate, a refinement of level 3, and a pretty good Abyss gear of defense 3 and a damage reduction Abyss gear. And this is what the shield will look like on your back. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Northwind Shield in Crimson Desert.